Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to convert your Amazon shopping voucher to cash. While Amazon doesn't provide a direct way to turn vouchers into actual money, there's a workaround that involves redeeming the voucher first and then using third-party platforms to sell the balance. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After you've signed in, move your mouse up to the top right corner where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover over that option and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Account. This will take you to your main account page where you can manage various settings and balances. Now look for the option labeled Gift Cards and click on it. This section is where you manage all your Amazon gift card activity, including checking balances and redeeming new codes. Once you're inside, you'll see an option that says Redeem a Gift Card. Click on that to proceed to the redemption page. Here's where you'll enter your claim code. Type in the full code from your voucher. Don't worry about adding dashes. Amazon will process it either way. Once you've entered the code, click on Apply to your balance. This action will add the voucher's value directly into your Amazon account, so make sure to confirm that the amount now appears in your Amazon balance or wallet. This step is crucial because it means the voucher is now active and ready to be used or transferred. Now comes the part where you actually convert that balance into cash. Since Amazon doesn't allow you to withdraw this money directly, you'll need to use a legitimate gift card resale or peer-to-peer marketplace. Open a new tab and head over to one of these platforms. You'll need to create an account if you don't already have one. These sites are specifically designed to help people sell gift card balances for real money. Once you're logged in, find and click on the Sell or List option. You'll be prompted to enter details about your balance, including the amount, the currency, and any other voucher information the platform requests. Be as accurate as possible to avoid any issues during the sale process. After listing your balance, you'll either need to choose a buyer from available offers or wait for someone to accept your listing. Different platforms work in different ways, so follow the specific transfer instructions provided by the site you're using. This usually involves securely transferring the gift card balance to the buyer through the platform's system. Once the transfer is complete and verified, you'll receive payment through the platform's supported payout method. This could be PayPal, bank transfer, or another digital payment service, depending on what the marketplace offers. Keep in mind that these platforms often take a small fee, so you won't get the full voucher value in cash, but it's the most reliable way to convert it. It's important to understand that Amazon does not offer a direct voucher to cash transfer feature. Any guide claiming there's an instant Amazon to cash button is misleading. The process only becomes cash after you resell the redeemed value through a trusted third party or to someone you know personally. Always use reputable platforms to avoid scams. And that's it. You've successfully turned your Amazon voucher into actual cash by redeeming it first and then selling the balance on a resale marketplace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.